Hey, this is Tim from Daikin FiT, the owner-operator. Check this out. Today we installed our very first Daikin FiT heat pump. Check it out, there it is, right there. We're about to fire her up here in a second. It's magic. Daikin. It's made by wizards. Hey, is it running?
Oh, it's running.
Are you sure?
I believe it is. You can't tell it yet. It's running.
Wait.
Look at my pressures.
Oh snap!
It's coming up.
It's only been running for 5 minutes. We're probably going to pipe this thing out a little farther. I'm talking nice and quiet. I think the water is right over the unit. Goodness gracious. There you go. Daikin FiT heat pump, South Georgia. Say that again, Jason.
That's the very first one right here.
This is the very first Daikin FiT in Albany, Georgia, my friend. I don't know why we're yelling.
I don't know.
Do you know why we're yelling? I don't know why. It's running wide open. We used to have to yell. I'll tell you what. I'm saying like that. Right above it. Can't hear it. I'm in the hallway here, so you can see. How freaking cool is that, right? What's up, Daikin? Light back on. Well, this is the first Daikin FiT heat pump in Albany, Georgia. / Leesburg, Georgia. There she is in the closet. Wasn't too bad at all. Everything fit nicely. Daikin FiT, baby.